Good day everyone, and welcome to our first Pixellab class. As you can see, this is the Pixellab interface. The moment you open it for the first time, this is what you see. So I will just quickly explain the basics and we'll go from there. This right here is the canvas. This greenish place, this is called the canvas. So this is where all your work will go to. Everything you do it in here. That's called the canvas. So as you can see, this right here, this little thing that down here, these are the tools that you'll be using along the way during your works. So I'll quickly explain them and then we'll move on. For example, to change the background color of this canvas, to change its background color, you need to come to this last one, this one. You need to come there and click on it, and there's color here, this one right here, color, and you click on it and you can select your color to use at the background, like this one, and there are a lot of colors. If you want, you can even click here and select your own custom color. So this is how to change the background color very quickly. And you can add a text. To add a text, you can quickly come here, this place, and click on it, and you'll see text. That first option, text, you click on it, it will give you this new text. Okay, and that's where you edit it. So you can click on this letter A, this one right here, to edit the text. And if you click on it, you see this edit button. If you click on it, you can write everything, whatever you want. You can, let's say, write thanks and click OK. So our thanks has appeared. If you want to maybe change the thanks to capital letters, all caps, you can click these two T's at the top, these ones, and you can change the font style to it. If you click it, it turns to capitalize. So you can hover on the text to move it around the canvas, or you can use this position arrow to move it. If you click on it, you can move it everywhere, anywhere you want on the canvas using that one, or you can use this relative position, this one right here. You can move it to specified locations using that one. So if we click on it, you can move it to center, horizontally, and you can centralize it vertically too. Or you can move it to the edge, this edge, to the bottom, to the top. So you can customize it however you want. Now you can edit colors in this text, change fonts. For example, if you want to change font, you can come here. If you click on this A, you come forward, you see fonts. Somewhere down here, see font. So there are a lot of fonts that came with Pixellab. These are the ones, and you can install fonts later if you want. Like I have a lot of color fonts here installed on my own, so you can use whatever you want. For example, if I click on this, it will change the font to that one. Now to resize the text, you can use, there are two ways. You can either grab this circle, this dot, and drag it diagonally like this. Press on it and drag it diagonally. You can resize it that way, or you can come here and click on size, and you can change the size that way. And last but not the least about the text is you can copy it. For example, if I click this copy, it will copy this text for me, and I can edit it and do other stuff like the ones I did with the first text before. So these are the basics of Pixellab. And you can change the size of the canvas. You can resize your canvas. simply by clicking these three dots at the top. If you click on them, you will see image size. You click on it, and there's custom here where you can add the width by yourself, or you can click this and choose any size you want. For example, there's YouTube thumbnail, there's YouTube channel banner. If you select YouTube thumbnail, you will see the size of the canvas has changed. So that's how you change the size of the